Ngiyaphila ngibingelele bonke abaphulaphuli bomhlobo wenene. Ngibingelele nina basasazi. Namhlanje-ke ngiseyindlini endlini zomsakazo umhlobo wenene.
Yes, sir.
The king of Maskandi is here in the house. In the building. Approved.
Yeah, andakabake mhlawumbi okokuqala siba nengoma kaMaskandi efumana Song of the Year.
Yes.
Zimbali engathi kokokuqala bangiphazana.
Engathi ku-replay i-record. It is the first time umhlobo wenene uhlukanisa unyaka ngoMaskandi.
Right?
Hayi bafowethu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ngiqala noyiva kahle kahle bathetha inyani xa besithi ngiqala noyiva ingoma kaMaskandi ihlukanisa unyaka apha kumhlobo wenene. Yes.
Kakhulu kakhulu futhi nathi sithi halala man. Wayishasa indaba yengoma ngokusume ubuphi ukuzithula phokole mntaka kusegigini.
Hayi bengidlulile bengisendleleni.
Right.
I was from Durban ngiya eScott.
Right.
So kwenzeka izindaba.
Yeah.
Eish.
Mamela like.
Bengilalele. Oh.
Okay.
Bengilalele indlule kakhulu. Beyidlule kakhulu beyiphezulu.
Now what you said,
Into emnandi engiyithandile ukuthi bebesho ibangayithi ngesisho so maybe kuthini ukuthi uphuzane ezinyakeni zawo ukuthi uphuzane international artists ukubona ukuthi sihamba ngasemazweni angaphandle ukubona ukuthi ama-province esiningi sometimes ina-edition ezahlukene lento le yokushayisa mina ngoba sekuphila kwe-brand yama-artist thatha kaningi thatha kancane ngizokuthenga ngikusho sengifikile imithetho lithi baphulaphuli bonke bemihlobo besi engayenzile hlukanisini singena ku-2025 lento eyenzakale-ke isho ubudlelwane obusha esebukhalayo ephulukazini njengoba wazi ukuthi uMaskandi abantu bakaMaskandi baqhelana music but ngiyazi ukuthi ukuthi uMaskandi sasibonile abaphulaphuli ukuthi sifuna abantu first time Quando usa la legge